So here's how you do this project. Watch this video and then click on this link. Make sure it says large right here, and then choose a fruit or vegetable. Notice how they're all very close up. That's kind of a nice picture right there. I'm going to click on that one. See how it says when I roll the mouse over where it says 1300 by 1144? That's a high-res image. It should say at least 500 by 500. The one I'm looking for is actually a lemon, because that's where my thumbnail sketch examples are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top here where it has the search. And if there's a particular fruit or vegetable that you're looking for, type it in here. I added lemon with leaf because I want some leaves on here, kind of like this one. But I want it open like this. So I'm looking for the perfect image, of course. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. And I might actually save a few of them and combine some of the features of it. So what I want to do is I'm going to open this one and save it, and also this one and save it. Before I do that, though, I want to open up another tab on my Google Drive. I'm going to go to my folder, and this doesn't look the same as yours because I've got all my teacher folders in here and so forth. So your folder should say your first name, first initial, last name, what grade you're in, and what period you're in. I'm going to use this one as an example. So I've double-clicked that. Inside this folder should be another folder for this project. So each folder will have the same information plus the name of the project. So here's a little shortcut you can do to save some time. I'm going to click on this little arrow, select rename, and then I'm going to copy this information, cancel it, create a new folder, type this name of this particular project, put an underscore, and then paste in that information. This saves me from having to retype this information and create. Also, make sure to share this with me. Remember that we're not sharing this folder for the project. We're sharing the main folder where all your project folders are in. So again, I'm going to go up here and click share. This is my folder, but I'm going to go ahead and share it so that you can see the process. It's jwing2@sandy.net, and then click send. Most of you have already done this, but that is the other step that you need to do. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my search. Since I like the leaves on this one, I'm going to click on here. Then I'm going to click and drag this image up to this tab, and then I'm going to drag it on top of this folder. And it's going to save that image directly to this folder. It's easier if you actually open up the folder and add more photos to it like this. But you can also do it the way that I just did it. So again, I'm going to click and drag this. I've already opened up that other folder for the Mosaic Project, and then I'm just going to drag it down into the center of this box. These two files are named the same thing, so I'm going to select keep both files because I know they're different pictures. I'm going to click on this one file here, and then right mouse click on it or alt click on it and select rename. I call this lemon 1. Again, if you want to do a shortcut, I can copy the text that says lemon. Click OK. Then I'm going to again alt click on this one, rename it. Call this one lemon 2. From here, I'm going to do my thumbnail sketches, And I'm going to combine, because I like this leaf right here, and I'm going to combine it with this space in here. And I'll show you how to simplify it, but add some of the features on it. In fact, I'm going to see if I can find one that has seeds. So again, right now all I'm doing is saving images. Here's one that has seeds. So again, click and drag it up to, oops, I closed the window. Let me reopen that. Go to my drive, click on recent. It's going to show me those two that I uploaded. If you hold the Alt key down on your keyboard and then click on this, you can select Show File Location. That's a shortcut. Down here, it showed me the string and then it opened up that folder. So now I can go back here and continue to save images into that folder. Your mosaic might not look exactly like the photos, but basically you're just researching and figuring out how you can combine various elements of each layout, each photograph. This one's only 360 by 240, so that's not a very high resolution photo. I'm going to go ahead and go with that, then I'll create another video to show you how to do the thumbnail sketch and how to crop it, crop the image. And that'll be on the next video.